Hey there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to raise the verification level on Discord step by step. Click your server icon in the left sidebar to open your server's channel view. Your server's full channel list and member area loads in the main window. Click the server name at the top to open the server drop-down menu with all your server options. You'll see options including server settings, privacy settings, notification settings, and several other server management tools listed in that menu. Click Server Settings from that menu, which takes you into the server configuration area. The settings panel opens with a sidebar on the left, showing all the configuration categories available for your server. In the settings sidebar on the left, click Safety Setup to access your server's security and moderation controls. This is where you control who can join and participate in your server based on their Discord account verification status. On the Safety Setup page, you'll see your current verification level setting. Click the Change button next to it to view all available verification options. The verification level determines what account requirements new members must meet before they can send messages or interact in your server. A panel opens showing 4 verification levels: none, low, medium, high, and highest. Each level adds progressively stricter requirements to filter out potential spam accounts and bots. I'll click low first, which requires members to have a verified email address on their Discord account. Now I'll click medium to see that level selected instead. Medium requires members to also be registered on Discord for longer than 5 minutes before they can participate. Next, I'll click high, which requires members to be registered on Discord for longer than 10 minutes before they can send messages. This level helps protect against brand new throwaway accounts being used for spam or raids. And finally, I'll click highest, which requires members to have a verified phone number on their Discord account. This is the strictest level and provides the strongest protection against automated bots and disposable accounts, though it may also prevent some legitimate users from participating if they haven't added a phone number to Discord. If you need to change the verification level later, just head back to Server Settings and then Safety Setup. You can switch between levels at any time. Higher verification levels reduce spam and raids, but can also slow down legitimate new members from joining conversations, so pick the level that matches your server's size and activity. Medium is a good middle ground for most servers, balancing protection with accessibility. The highest level is there for servers that frequently deal with raids or coordinated spam attacks. And that's how to raise the verification level on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.